नमस्ते भाइयों, वेलकम टू अभी सिंगल नमस्ते भाइयों, वेलकम टू अभी सिंगल चैनल. प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर दिस वीडियो.
Dr. Ranganathan?
No, Himanta Biswa Sarma is absolutely right. And by the way, one of the panelists admiring Mahatma Gandhi. Well, no wonder, because it was Mahatma Gandhi who said, quote, even if Muslims want to kill all Hindus, we should face death bravely. And if they establish their rule after killing Hindus, we would be ushering in a new world, unquote. Look, the fact is, let me be blunt about this. All these people hate Hinduism, but they cannot attack it directly. And so they have created this diversionary trope called Hindutva that they now abuse freely. They ignore that Hindutva means the Indian culture and not merely the Hindu religion, quote unquote. This is not me saying it, Anand. This was the famous conclusion of the Supreme Court back in 1995, packed with judges with left, liberal and centrist predilection, with the judgment written by none other than the liberal hero Justice J.S. Verma. But here is the thing, even if you do not believe the Supreme Court, that Hindutva is the Twa or essence of Hinduism, as Himanta Biswa Sarma says, and means the Indian culture, and prescribe to it a political or social motive, even then, Hindutva is not supremacist, but rather a defensive force to counter-attack on Hinduism. Islamists, Darbaris, as well as their Chauthi fail leftist chums never tire of drawing a false equivalence of Hindutva with Taliban, claiming there's nothing wrong with Islam or Hinduism, but everything wrong with Taliban and Hindutva. This is merely to cushion Islamic fundamentalism, Anand, because they know very well that the Taliban are only following Islamic fundamentals. Stopping the Taliban from following what is written in the Holy Book is like preventing me from following what is written in Darwin's Origin of Species. We are just the medium. How are we guilty or radical or extremist? The Taliban are only following the Sharia and the word of Allah on how a woman should dress, 24:31, 33:59, 7:26, on how a wife should behave, 4:34, or when a woman can be flogged, 24:212, or what should be done with non-believers, 4:56. Tell me, is it Hindutva that calls non-believers the worst of creatures? Is it Hindutva that forbids marrying them? Is it Hindutva that recommends conditional wife beating? Were they believers of Hindutva who blew up Bamiyan Buddhas? Is Hindutva responsible for 31,221 major terror attacks since 2001? Just because you are embarrassed by the violence, misogyny and bigotry commanded by the Holy Book, you bring in a false equivalence to deride Hindutva? So here is an open challenge, just 30 seconds for all those who hate Hindutva. List just 5 principles, diktats, commandments that you hate in Hindutva that are not already there in Islam. Just 5. And if you can't, then will you declare that you will henceforth hate Islam as much as you deride Hindutva? Hai dam? 5 छोड़ो, 3 ही बता दो. And as for these leftists, Anand, I'm afraid there is as much intellect in them as there is MDH garam masala in authentic sambar.
तो भाई आपने देखा भाई क्या मजे से धोया. वैसा आनंद रंगनाथन ने जितनी भी बातें बताई है ना कुरान के बारे में, जितने भी आयत के नंबर कोट किए हैं, उसमें जो लिखा है उन्होंने वही बोला. और ये सच बात है कि जो जो उसमें लिखा हुआ है ना उसे तो ये बताते नहीं है, और हिंदुत्व को टारगेट करते रहते हैं. और आपने देखा होगा वो जो तालिबान है ना, तालिबान को बोलते हैं, तो जो तालिबान वाले जो शरिया मानते हैं ना, वो है असली इस्लाम. ये तो दोगलागिरी करते हैं इंडिया के अंदर, जहाँ ये मुस्लिम दोगलापंथी करते हैं. वरना जो असली जो इस्लाम है वो तो तालिबान वाले ही मानते हैं. सारी कुरान की आयत हदीसें सब फॉलो करवा रहे हैं वो वहाँ पे, उसे माना जाएगा असली इस्लाम. और ये दरबारी लोग जो है ना, ये वहाँ नहीं बोलते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पता है कुछ बोलेंगे तो सीधा सूली पे. यहाँ पे तो ये कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, हिंदुओं को भी कुछ भी बोल दो. और यहाँ में कुछ तो ऐसे हैं लेफ्टिस्टों को आपने कभी नहीं सुना होगा इस्लाम के बारे में कुछ भी करते हुए. सिर्फ हिंदू पर अटैक करते हुए मिलेंगे वो तुम्हें, इसीलिए उन्हें लेफ्टिस्ट बोला जाता है. उनकी पहचान ही है, इस्लाम से प्यार करेंगे और बाकी धर्मों पे वो क्रिटिसिज्म चालू करेंगे, इसीलिए उन्हें लेफ्टिस्ट बोला जाता है. तो भाइयों, अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, सपोर्ट करें. धन्यवाद, थैंक यू.